Check out how cool these Whiskey Stone silver bullets are. I just completed a set in silver, and now I'm gonna do gold. Here's how we do it. So because I don't want this reflectiveness going through the machine, what I do is I just coat it with a little powder here. And then I'll put it on. I'm actually using my pen setup here, my pen jig, but it works really good just for holding anything round and narrow actually. So I just put a little coat on each of those, and I'm gonna put it in here, get them all lined up in the machine, and then we're gonna engrave them.
Hot ice! I heat up the ice cube!
Okay, so now that we are gonna go to our bullets, I'm going to line up my pen holder here, and I'm just gonna do a quick little placement for this jig. Okay. And then I'm going to completely line it up. Yes, I'm using old wooden block, but hey, you know, if it works, it works. Wait. Ta-da! Okay, now I'm gonna make sure it's level, and I'm going to use my calibrating pad just because it's a lot easier when you're using rounded things that are still somewhat reflective and you're on a jig. I don't really want to completely remove the jig, so ideally I should have done that first, but hey, that works still. Okay, so now we're leveled, and now I'm going to see and frame where all of these need to go. So I'm going to line them up, and I use the camera to kind of get it started, but then I go through and I actually frame each one. So on these bullets, I am going to run them at a power of 38, speed of 400, and lines of 200. One pass and frequency at 30. I'm doing this with my IR laser, and I'm kind of going with a little bit lower settings because I'm hoping this turns out more on the white side. I would like them to be lighter rather than black. But
I'm still gonna send it.
But first I wanted to start with something that's a little bit more gentle and clean. So now that's all lined up, we're gonna send it. Okay, so let's see how that turned out with the one pass. Ooh, that looks really good, actually. I'm thinking, oh yeah, that looks awesome. Oh my gosh, that pops so good. America. I should also mention that I do custom orders. So if these bullets are something that you want to do for yourself, for a friend, for a spouse, for anyone who's served, or just patriotic lover, I can do custom. So if you want something specific on here, names or military sayings or anything, you can always reach out to me and I can get these created and we can put something special on there for you. But look at how awesome these turned out. Oh, just love it. And they come in this awesome little case too. So when you put them in your freezer, they're not going to be flying all around your freezer. You have them in a nice contained area. And if you like seeing these type of videos, some short, fun things to make, we have some longer videos too, but we're always just creating some fun, good content. But if you like seeing all this, then we would really appreciate it if you want to like our channel, subscribe to our channel, and you'll get to see all these cool, fun ideas that we're doing with our laser, with our plasma cutter, with our wood router. We're always doing something fun and exciting. So if you wouldn't mind subscribing down below, we'd really appreciate it. Thank you.
I'm still gonna send it.